Today it was Teacher Appreciation Week, so I decided to make a speech for my third grade teacher because she did a lot for me.
She already wanted to do this since last year, but we never got around to it, and until like today, no, a week ago, she was like, "Mom, it's Teacher Appreciation Week, how about I do this, for Miss Scalise?" I'm like, "Oh, that's perfect." So then I spoke to Miss Partida, and she said, "Yes, let's do it."
I'm glad that I'm able to make an impact. Sometimes we don't always know, so that little bit of recognition always helps. Keep you going, knowing that you're making a difference.